Mezzanine is a set of tools that changes how people work together. Mezzanine gives groups of people more powerful tools for collaborating by letting people share with their colleagues any content from any device with anyone else anywhere and work on that shared content in real time.
I think a big part of the value of Mezzanine is that it turns meetings, almost any meeting, into a productive work session. Often in meetings, people come in, talk, discuss a few issues, and then have to leave the room to do additional work that would feed a further meeting. With Mezzanine, you can perform that work right in situ, in the room, in the middle of the meeting, with everyone participating. The first thing you notice when you walk into a Mezzanine room is the pixels. Lots of pixels. There's the 3 HD screens that form the Mezzanine triptych on the front wall. There are digital corkboards, so-called, on the side walls. And all of these screens work together. They're all interconnected by the Mezzanine system.
Everyone participating in a Mezzanine session can upload PowerPoint decks, other Office documents, photos, anything that's on a laptop computer or an Android phone or an iPhone or an iPad. And anything that's on the enterprise cloud too, or on the web, can be uploaded into the Mezzanine workspace. But uploading documents is just the start of how you work with Mezzanine. Each Mezzanine shared workspace can accommodate up to 4 live video feeds. These streams can be telepresence feeds or video conferencing systems, so all of a sudden you're working with someone somewhere else in the world using the Mezzanine system.
Or you might plug a DVI cable into a laptop that's sitting on the Mezzanine table. And now all of that laptop's content, its documents, its applications, literally all of its pixels become incorporated into the live shared workspace. There's another bit of popular meeting room gear that Mezzanine also incorporates, and that's the whiteboard. Mezzanine trains a camera on the room's whiteboard so that whatever's written there, whatever diagrams, images, and text, can be ingested into the system's library just with a click of a button. Then you can work with it further, incorporating it into your decks, into your presentations, and into your general workflow.
The most intuitive way to interact with a Mezzanine room is by using a device we call the wand. The wand works just like a laser pointer. You pick it up, you aim it at any of the screens in the room. The wand lets you grab and resize and move things around. But the wand has a couple of additional tricks up its sleeve. If you rotate the wand in your hand, you get to what we call snapshot mode. In snapshot mode, you can select a region of the screen. That selection is saved off, becomes part of the asset library of the shared workspace. If you rotate the wand in your hand again, you get to what we call reach-through mode. In reach-through mode, you can control other computers that are connected into the Mezzanine shared workspace. For example, if one of your colleagues is sharing a 3D CAD model, you can use the wand to drive through, to navigate around, to fly through that model. If one of your colleagues is additionally sharing a spreadsheet, you can use the wand to scroll through the spreadsheet data.
Of course, you don't have to use the wand to interact with Mezzanine. You can use whatever is most comfortable to you. So, web browser allows you to control the workspace, or you can use an iPhone or an iPad or an Android device. All of these are ways to manipulate and control the workspace. And you don't even have to be in the same room. Anyone can connect to a Mezzanine session from a remote location using a laptop or a desktop machine. And from there, you can see the assets that are involved in the session, you can watch the presentation, and you can even drive it. 2 or more Mezzanine systems can also be linked together so that groups in multiple locations can see and work with the same shared workspace. This allows collaboration to be extended out beyond the 4 walls of an individual room.
Mezzanine lets groups of people work together in ways they never could before. It's a great tool for product design or distributed engineering teams. It's a great tool for an executive meeting with her direct reports and getting to decisions in real time. And Mezzanine's big multi-screen workspace is a phenomenal presentation environment with a really high wow factor.
Ultimately, one of the reasons we're so enthusiastic about Mezzanine is that it's already fundamentally changed the way we work here at Oblong. By making our processes more fluid, more dynamic, certainly more human-centered, and frankly more fun, we know that everything we build, everything we collaborate on, every piece of work we do is better.